If you are suffering from baldness, you are a 30 years male, the stage of baldness is Norwood stage 4 to 5, such that your hairline has gone very much behind and you have very thin hair from the mid of the scalp till the crown. So whatever you wear, whenever you get ready for a party or your office even, you feel, what is there to comb? I don't have a proper hairline. So today's case report would be for such a case, for such a patient whom we did a hair transplant, how we proceeded with it, what all things we did, what was the trichoscopy finding, whether he was able to see his probable results or not, and then what were the final results. Let us discuss today. Don't forget to press the like button and to subscribe our channel for more such educational and testimonial videos. We did a trichoscopy so that we know what are his donor area findings. What is the thickness of graft? What is the average density of hair? The average density of grafts at the back at the donor area was 80 grafts per centimeter square, and the average diameter of single strand of hair was around 0.078 millimeters. Taking that into consideration, we calculated the recipient area, how much area we have to transplant, making a good hairline for him so that the hairline is, of course, it has to be zigzag, it has to be irregularly irregular with slight undulations so that it looks very extremely natural, normal. The total area we had to graft was 107 centimeter square and the density we had to give was 35 grafts per centimeter square. So we transplanted around 4,251 grafts for this patient. This total number of grafts includes the crown area of 19.5 centimeter square also, 19.5 centimeter square, and this we grafted at a density of 25 grafts per centimeter square. So this gives us the total number of grafts. If you have any questions till now or you want to ask anything regarding your hair transplant, you can ask in the comment section below. If you want to give your pictures for consultation, you can drop in a WhatsApp in the numbers below or you can call us. He wanted to see his probable results after hair transplant before actually undergoing the surgery. So he downloaded the Saraswat Hospital App, clicked on the PeekAI feature, uploaded his pictures, and then he received the probable results within 24 to 48 hours. That way, he was confident that now I should undergo the surgery. Now was the time for actual hair transplant. So on the day of the surgery, we already have told the patient the pre-surgical do's and don'ts, and on the day of the surgery, they arrive with good hydration and food. Now you can see on your screen his hair transplant journey, starting from the day of the surgery, then 15 days after surgery, then 3 months, 5 months, and so on till 11 months after surgery. See what confidence this hair transplant brings into you if you have good results. And to have good results, it is very important that you go to a center which takes into consideration your safety profile as their first priority. To have safety, it is very important for us that we prepare a checklist of things which we know they are not to be missed. Do share this video with somebody who is planning a hair transplant and who wants a detailed consultation for their hair transplant. If you want to see more such testimonial videos, please click the link on the left, and to know more about cost of hair transplant, click the link on the right.